Hello again, everyone, and welcome back. In this episode, we're going to go into a combination, actually, of two of our APIs, and those would consist of the toxicity checker, but we're going to combine that with the API to do video captioning. The use case we can use for this is with the preponderance of videos and tutorials and all of that going around and the ease of generation of this content, you need to have something that can kind of automate the moderation of that content and where you allow it, specifically from the aspect of if you're a school provider. What we've basically done is we've combined video captioning with checking for the toxicity of videos within school classrooms or other avenues that you may be leveraging video content in as a means to stay out in front and just protect kind of your audience or the integrity of your organization. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. Initially, we're just going to load one video, and I'm not going to show it to you because it is actually NSF content video, but we'll run it and see what happens. So this video returned that it is toxic and based on obscenities. That actually did classify it correctly. So now we're going to test a different video, and let's pull that video up and show you. It's basically a HoloLens advertisement from a couple years ago. And there you have it. With that being said, let's load this video up. So there you have it. Came back clean as per our thoughts after reviewing the initial video before we uploaded it. That's an automated way to check the toxicity of videos using video captioning as well as toxicity detection, which are a combination of two of the available APIs from FalconsAI. Thank you again for your time. 125.